that make our clients to trust us and make our company reliable. And then we get more and more customers, clients around the world. And then we become the world's largest supplier.
Hi, I'm Kashish Talreja from Modern Plastics TV. Today with us, we have someone from UPC Technology, and UPC Technology is one of the global leaders in PA and plasticizers. So I would like to welcome Mr. August Chang.
Hello, everyone. I'm August, the spokesperson to UPC Group, UPC Technology. We are a Taiwan-based company. Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming. I would like to start by asking about your company and what were some key turning points.
Okay. We are a company established in 1976. We were very small and based in Taiwan only. The first key turning point was that we decided to step out of Taiwan. We have our factories in mainland China, and in 2016, we have our own factories in Kuantan, Malaysia. It is a key turning point for us that we step into international markets. Actually, it was quite important, and it was provided us a chance to get involved in India market as well. So I will say that it was an important turning point. And the second turning point was that we decided to do more business in India. And we realized that was a great decision because India is really a promising market for us to get more business, to get involved in with so many local customers.
Yes.
So that is these are the two turning points for us.
And what are some flagship products and which ones are getting more response from the market?
Okay. We have many products, many kind of plasticizers. We have functional types. We also have specialty polymer-based plasticizers. But I would like to emphasize more on our eco-friendly ones. We have Dinch, which is eco-friendly, non-toxic, and non-phthalic. This is a very important plasticizers in the future. And I believe that, actually, I know that Indian government has imposed a lot effort on environmental protections and the health of the people. So I believe this kind of plasticizers will be largely used in the market. And another kind is recycled DOTP. It is generated by, actually the process is that we recycle the PET, and under a certain process, we make them into another kind of products, which is DOTP. These are plasticizers. So this kind of products is very friendly to the environment. So Dinch and recycled DOTP are the two flagship products we would like to offer to Indian markets.
Got it. And as a leader in this industry, what are some learnings that you would like to share with us?
Oh, sure. As I just mentioned, we started as a very small company 50 years ago.
Yes.
And our company value is that we emphasize on honesty, prudence, and pragmatism. And in the past 5 decades, we always follow the 3 principles. Someone told us that we should do something else or take chances, but we still insist in our quality and the service to our customers. And all of the members under UPC Technology follow the principles, and that make our clients to trust us and make our company reliable. And then we get more and more customers, clients around the world. And then we become the world's largest supplier and manufacturer in plasticizers in MPA. So I believe that this teach us that we have to follow our own value systems, and we need to insist on such great principles. And then we do it our own ways, and then we can grow and become great. Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Thank you.
So what So, what do you think about Plastindia 2026 and how is it beneficial for your company?
Yeah, actually, we in the past decades we have been doing business with Indian clients, but this is the first time for us to actually participating in Plastindia 2026, and with our own booth. It was really amazing that we met several of our clients here, and it's also a great opportunity to meet some clients we actually communicated with them online or through calls. So meeting them in person is a really good experience for us. It's like having meeting old friends. And some of our potential customers, they heard of us through traders or agents, but they never actually met us. And through this exhibition, to Plus India, they finally got a chance to get closer to us and
Yes.
step into our booth and have conversation with us, which is so different from just knowing us on the internet. So I think this is a very, actually, it should be the greatest milestone to us to joining Plus India 2026 this year. I would like to congratulate the Modern Plastics TV as well as Modern Plastics India.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming and
Thank you.
having this conversation. It was lovely chatting with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.